everyone. Today I'm going to tell you that how you can add header and footer in Microsoft Excel. You have seen header and footer in the Word documents that are some text at the top of the document that repeats in every page throughout the document and the bottom of the document as well. So today we are going to learn how you can add header and footer in the Excel. So I will tell you the two different options that you can use to access add header and footer in Excel. So the first option is you can go to the Insert tab, and here you have the option of text. If you click on this arrow, small arrow, you can see header and footer option here. When you click on this, you will see that you have got the options of header and footer here in this tab, and also here you can see that you can add header, and this is the left portion of header, this is the central portion of header, and this is the right portion of header, and you can add whatever you want. Like if I write here the name, here the page number, and here the date. Similarly, I can also go to the footer. You can see here that if I go down, I am unable to see the footer. For that, what I have to do is I have to go to that format again. Like in this, I have to click header and footer, and here you can see we have the footer option. For that I have to click here, and if I click none, it means I have not added anything in the footer. And by clicking the none, I can see the area where I can add the footer. So here, whatever I want to write in the footer, it's just a dummy data I am putting just to tell you, you can add the footer in this way. Now we have added the footer as well as the header. Now keep this in mind that you can only see the header and footer in two views. One is this view, this view is called the page layout view. You cannot see the header and footer in normal view. If I click on this, you can't see here, and you also cannot see the header and footer in page break preview. And the another view in which you can see the header and footer, the print preview option. If I press Ctrl P from the keyboard, I can see the print preview here. That this is in this, you can see here the name, page, date, and this is the footer. So now you can see both header and footer here in this preview also. So we have only two options to see the header and footer. One is the page layout preview and the other is the print preview. Another important option that you can use to add header and footer is you can also go to the page layout option. Here in page layout, you have a page setup tab. You just click on this arrow and a new window will open. Here in this tab, header and footer tab, you can see if you want to add the header, you will click here. If you want to use custom header, the header that you want to make it by yourself, you will click here. And if you want to choose the already formatted header, you can choose from here. Similarly for the footer also, you can also click here, and you can also change the footer here by using the custom footer option. So here these are the different options that you can use to add the you can use to add the header and footer. And keep this in mind that header and footer will be available only in two previews. In my next lecture, I will tell you how you can add date, time, and the page numbers in your header and footer, and how you can use the already formed formats of header and footer in Excel. That's all from today's lecture. Thank you.